I put my top on because I'm very fortunate that I've got a professional hairdresser to come around and do my hair, or else I'll be here all day. I'm doing my hair quite well myself, but not quite as good as a professional, and certainly not as quick. So I've put my top on so I don't have to worry about putting a top over all that nicely done hair and potentially ruining their good work. As you can see, I put a load of powder under my eyes because I'm now going to do the eyeshadow, and I do not want my eyeshadow to be dropping all over my lower eyes and messing up my good work that I've done earlier. So just a bit of brown. Let's get things started. So as you can see, a nice base brown. Ooh, so that's what. Okay, just reading labels. Get that iridescent brown back out, and then go over and blend in